Hello, future designers. So, welcome to the continuation of our previous lesson. Um, in our previous lesson, we were able to achieve this. Okay, so we worked on the image, the icons, okay, and some of the buttons. Okay, so now we would actually want to work on this. Okay, we want to achieve this. Okay, so to do that, let's go back to our drawing board. I'm going to have to click on or pick an ellipse tool. So I'll pick an ellipse tool, hold shift, okay, draw a perfect circle. So this is going to hold our icon, so our headphone icon, so that people who visit Hajes Wachi, okay, her e-commerce site can actually give live chats. If they don't know how to eat Wachi, like these kind of things. It might sound strange, like someone doesn't know how to eat Wachi, but yeah, that's a problem. That's it could be a problem someone is just want people to advise them on. There are people who also don't know how to eat other food, so Aja is there to teach you how to eat watch like live chat or customer support and the likes. So I'm going to bring this right click and then bring this to front. Okay. So let's actually change its color to white. So I'll click on the fill and then change its color to white. And then I'll change the shape here, the ellipse shape here to black. Okay. And let's see the size. Okay, so we have 79. Okay, so let's just do 79 by 79, and then the icon is actually 33. So let's work with the icon first. So I'm going to do 3 3 by 3 3. Okay, and then this is 79 79 by 79. Okay, so now let's bring our icon here. We can double hold shift and then select, or let's click on our shape here and then hold shift and then select the icon. Now we can actually try to align them. Okay, so since they are aligned, okay, using these alignment tools, okay, align vertical centers, then align horizontal centers. I can just use Ctrl G to group them, and then let's bring it to this. Like, actually, didn't group. Okay, so let's try that again. So click and then hold shift, then Ctrl G. So let's try seeing if it will move as a group. Okay, so we want it aligned. Okay, so you can see our column here. That's our grid here, grid column. Okay, so let's work on this. Our LinkedIn. So Haja is very professional, so she has a LinkedIn profile to actually speak to professional or get professional clients across the globe. So doing one. Probably if you might get someone from an international firm, like Microsoft or Google, to help her. So she has LinkedIn for professional reasons, and then Twitter to tweet, and then Facebook as usual. Okay. So we'll change this color to, let's give it a gray color. So a gray color, I'm just going to move this, or better still, let's see what we can do here. I'll change it to 50%. Okay. I'll also change this to 50%. Sorry, 50. And then let's see the size that we have for this page. So 20 is supposed to be, so 27 by 20. Okay, so let's see what we can do here. We can do 28 by 27. Okay, for our bed. Okay, our LinkedIn 21 by 21. Okay, so 28. So let's just do um, try 28. 28 by 28. Then let's do same for our Facebook. So Facebook is also going to have 28 by 28. So okay, so the icon isn't looking perfect, so let's just take undo. Let's actually preview it to see what we have. Okay, so our icons are behind. Okay, so let's see what we can do now. So let's actually work, make our icons white. Okay, so rather change them to white. So okay, so all I had to do was to change everything to white. Okay, so we change the fill. You go to fill and then change it to white. Okay, so we have. Let's preview it now. Okay, so we have our icons here. Now let's see the position of this. Or let's so the Facebook. Let's see where it starts. Okay, so I think I like where it is. Okay, but we need to work on the spacing. So let's see how Figma can help us work on the spacing. Let's see, Alt 66. Okay, so I'm going to multi-select while holding on Shift. Okay, then I'll go to this alignment tool and then click tidy up. Okay, so you can see as well the spacing is okay. So when I click here, hold Alt, you can see we have 78. When I click here, 78. So good spacing. Let's preview it and see. Okay, but our Facebook icon doesn't look that big, so we'll have to change it. So let's do here. Um, do here 15. Oh, sorry. Let's do 10, or you can do 12. And then let's preview it to see. I'm doing 14. It looks stretched. Okay, so um, let me work on. Let me increase this to like 20. I think that should be fine. Okay, we have them aligned properly. Okay, so the Facebook is going to be centered in the middle, and any other the rest would actually touch the edge. Okay, of our column as you see here. Now let's work on the image. Okay, so our image here, I'm going to click here and then hold Alt and then let's see 24. So I'll click here and then let's see. So 24. Oops. I keep holding. Okay, so 24. I'm holding Alt. So the spacing is 24. So let's see 24. Okay, so cool. And then let's check for the top part. So let's see. So 99. Let's hope it's 99. Okay, so 99. Let's take it up. Okay, and all I have to do is to bring this icon here. Okay, it looks smaller. I'll try. Okay, let's leave it this way. I like it this way. Okay, so I think we would have to work on the spacing here. Okay, so let's see the spacing. So 32. I'm going to click here, and then I'll move this up. 32, 32. And then let's see. So we wanted to touch the edge. Okay. So now let's preview our projects and then yeah. So this is our final project. Okay, this is our final project for Hajia. Okay, so Hajia Wachi, her e-commerce site, she has features like live chats or customer support. You can get more of your product. There are some specials for maybe weekends. Um, then you can order from delivery. They can search for other products. Okay, so guys, thank you, and then congratulations on building your e-commerce. So let's say a welcome or landing page for your e-commerce website for your persona, that's Hajia. Okay, so congratulations, and then thank you for joining this session.